My people, how una dey? Una good morning, una good afternoon, any time we una dey there. Now, one small thing, I want make we take one kind of look. Make we rub mind, This government, then tell us, say, na PDP spoil Nigeria 16 years. I agree. 16 solid years, PDP, then deal with us for Nigeria. 16 years old, PDP. But I can't look, who be the people waiting inside this PDP self will spoil Nigeria? Today, one guy can't compile one list because this is my era of list. Everybody they get their own list. So I can't look the list. So I can't say 3/4, 75% of the people waiting inside the PDP will spoil Nigeria. Then they inside APCO. It be like saying I just name change then do. I can't carry the list. I can't say make I share that list. Make I share them with you because the names where they there plenty. Maybe they look at more. Maybe they look at the current Senate president na APC, but in a PDP before. Governor self for PDP. APC speaker, the first speaker where APC get for House of Rep, Dogara. In a PDP, na 2 term in do self as a PDP member of the House of Rep. Under PDP, make the counter more. Out of the 6 former speakers where PDP get, former speakers of House of Rep, will be PDP. Out of the 6 of them, 5 of them, they inside this APC. The only one we know they there, now the Major Bankole, we still the PDP. Former PDP Senate President, Ken Nnamani, we are in the inside APC. 2 former national chairmen of PDP, they inside APC. Audogbe, na former chairman of PDP, in fact, in a minister. Barnabas Gemade, na former chairman of PDP, inside APC. Many legislators don't know they see so will be APC today. Now PDP them be now. I will not be change of name be that. Now still are the same people. Governor Ebikole Amosun of Ogun State, when he was a senator in the 5th National Assembly, not be PDP in be. El Rufai, governor of Kaduna State, when he be minister, not be PDP in be. Aminu Bello Masari, when in the House of Rep, not be PDP in be. Abubakar Bello, will be governor of Niger State, not be commissioner in be under PDP. Tambowa of Sokoto, not be former speaker under PDP. Abdullah Fattah Ahmed, Abdul Fattah Ahmed of Kwara State, not be commissioner under PDP. The one for Jigawan Kobaderu, Abubakar, na former PDP member. Lalong, Plateau State, former PDP. Ganduje of Kano State, former PDP. Samuel Otom of Benue, former PDP, himself na minister. Almakura of Nasarawa, former PDP. Bagudu of Kebbi State, former PDP senator. Bindo, Jibrila Bindo, former PDP. Rochas Okorocha, former PDP. Ali Wamako, former PDP. Rabi Kwankeso, former PDP. Dakingeri of Kebbi State, former PDP. Bukola Saraki, former PDP. Murtala Nyako, former PDP. Rotimi Amechi, former PDP. Silva, former PDP. Chime of Enugu, former PDP. Obang Victor Atta, former PDP. Ngige, former PDP. Adamu Abdullahi, former PDP. Oji Uzokalu, former PDP. Osubo, former PDP. Shegun Oni Ekiti, former PDP. Alao Akala, former PDP. Goje Gombe, former PDP. Onyilola, former PDP. Garba Umar, former PDP. Now tell me, who be the PDP? We chop our money. If no be APC. When you do secondary school, they teach you something. Then call them simultaneous equation. Equation 1 na APC. Equation 1 na PDP. Equation 2 na APC. If you do elimination by substitution, because we are still looking for that X might be the corruption we will talk about. Everything we do inside PDP, just change name, port, come inside APC. So when they tell you, say 16 years misrule, who do the misrule? 75% of those people will do that misrule by inside APC. Then they, this matter can't be like Ashawo. It be like Olosho we go Gebele. Olosho we Gebele na sabbatical he go, not be retirement. Babe, Olosho we Gebele na sabbatical, no be retirement. All the PDP will come APC na sabbatical, corruption continue. May them tell us the truth. Who be the PDP I been only Jonathan be the PDP. I been only Dezani. Oh, the ones we never pot. Now who they worry them? If they get sense, instead of them pretending to be sick, make the cuckoo change name. Come to the congregation of saints. Story finished. Now I say make I just talk. Femi Ogunsanwo, thank you for compiling that list, Daddy. Don't forget to all of them are Olosho. Olosho, we get belle. Na sabbatical I go. Bye bye.